Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Miss Raven, and yeah, I'm about to do the little shoe video for y'all. Size 13 for the big feet people. We could talk about it, you trying to be funny. But yeah, wear size 13 in women's. Maybe like a 12.5 in men's, but let's rock out. This is the first pair. Torrid by Torrid. Like I said, size 13. Let's go. Shoe review, shoe haul, however you want to. But yeah, this the first shoe. Torrid. It's that gray snakeskin / platform. Don't judge me. I got long toes too. If you rocking with the content, like, comment, and subscribe. Holla at me. Leave a comment below. Let's talk about it. But yeah, it's a little shoe haul, shoe review. See what these shoes look like on my feet. Yiggity. Overall, I think this is a hot shoe. You can pair it with a dress, I guess jeans, dress up, dress down. But yeah, they don't hurt. I don't know how long you can walk in them, but they don't hurt. And you know I love a nasty heel. I think that's about 2-3 inches maybe. I'm already tall, I'm 6'1", but I love a heel. Next up, got these flats, these red flats, slides, thong sandals, size 13, and red. I'm excited about that red. Fire. You can wear it by itself or jeans. Dress up, dress down. It's cute, simple. Don't do too much. You can save your life. Put it in the trunk. Walk on the beach. If your feet hurt, all kind of. It's in the clutch. Little sandal. Can't go wrong with that. Simple. And up next are these mules. Okay, come on mule with the embellished mule. Black. Little kitten heel. I'm not too fond of that, but it's comfortable. You can get away with it. You can walk probably distances than your average high heel shoe. Can't go wrong with that. It's cute. Dress it up, dress it down. You know I love a sparkle. Next up, I got the same shoe in a different color. Still an embellished mule, but like a bone beige color. Dressy. Dress it up, dress it down. Still cute. This is the last shoe. That's it, that's all. That's it, that's all. Like, comment, and subscribe. Talk to you later. Bye.